All right, Todd's back earlier in the show. In case you missed it, Sharon brought up Cookie Crisp as a cereal to eat, which was great. So it's got me thinking about sugar cereal for the last 17 minutes.
Thanks, Sharon.
Let's pretend you have to eat one.
Oh,
okay.
Good game.
What favorite sugar cereal if you have to have one?
If I have to have
you
one?
have to.
Yep.
With like almond milk or something? Can I have
No,
almond
just
milk?
pick the cereal.
We're just talking the cereal.
Okay, when I was a kid, I really liked Captain Crunch.
Okay, see, there you go.
With the Crunch Berries?
Oh, I don't know. We just got
original
regular
OG Captain Crunch.
Yeah.
All
Just
right.
those little treasure box, the golden.
So
Yes.
good.
Crunch Berries make it even better.
I like
just
Crunch
want you
Berries.
to know.
I do
Okay.
like Crunch Berries a lot.
Yeah.
You got one? You know,
I mean, I just said that. The Cookie Crisp was, when I was a kid, it was Cookie Crisp.
good.
Now my palate's evolved a little bit.
Oh. to what?
Can't wait to hear this.
I'm getting a little bit. I do like frosted mini wheats a lot.
They don't get too soggy though. You can eat them fast.
No, I actually like them when they're soggier and the frosting part doesn't melt off.
Same with Frosted Flakes. Like you gotta eat them like super fast because those one of those.
Yeah, Frosted Flakes,
squishy.
they
Those
go
aren't- those
south
aren't
on you
as good.
quickly. Yeah, they get
Gotta
soggy
speed
fast.
eat those things, which is fine. Or just go right from the box.
We lost
Don't
her.
even use
Look
milk.
at it. It's
You could just straight chug the flakes without even milk. Those are good.
That'd be really dry.
Oh, that's so good. The sugar helps.
Or Sharon.
You brought it up.
You said the sugar helps.
Well, we were trying to think of things
I mean, I'm
crisp.
just saying, you
and
brought up Cookie Crisp. I mean, thank you.
I knew there was
I
a
didn't know you
cereal
were
that had
such
crisp in the name,
such
but-
a big sugar cereal fan.
There's
That's
Crisp
the
Bix,
side
too.
of you I did not know about.
Crisp Bix are healthy.
No, those are healthy.
Yeah, I know, but that's something that she would probably go
Kid
for.
tested, mom approved, or something like that.
Yeah, maybe. Isn't that Kix?
Yeah, those are gross
That's
too.
Kix.
Yeah, you gotta add
Kix.
sugar to those.
Or kids.
Spoonfuls of
tested,
sugar.
mom
Makes the
approved.
medicine go down.
Wow. All right. Goldie, she's gonna need another couple of days off. I
Yeah,
think.
all right, you know what? We'll figure
Yes,
that
I
out.
am.
Yeah.
Yeah. Somehow I
Can we
think
make that
I
happen?
think that's gonna make itself happen.
It's going to make itself happen. Our temperatures are in the 30s and some 20s. This is the first frosty, widespread morning of the season. Eastern Maine, same deal. Look at these numbers up north. Presque Isle down to 26. Norwich Walk not far behind, 28 degrees. Go find that scraper. It's either buried in your trunk or it's in some box in the garage somewhere. High pressures over the northeast. There are some clouds working in with this warm front. Can't rule out a sprinkle today. There are a lot of showers back here over the lakes. They should be drying up, but a few may get down to the ground even though our air mass is really dry. Tomorrow the front goes north and we get into that right there, the warm stuff. Temperatures will be on the rise for the second half of the week. But right now we have triple C's, clear, calm, and cold. Yes, you might need to be scraping early on here. Give yourself a few extra minutes. More clouds start to work in middle of the day. A sprinkle will be possible. It's cool, it's crisp. Afternoon and evening, same sort of thing. At times you'll have filtered sun with clouds up there. Other times you'll have brighter sunshine. I think that equates to a really pretty sunset, which happens between 5:30, 5:45, depending on where you are in the state. And I also want to mention that the sun where it sets on the horizon is different than just a couple of months ago. If you're commuting around this time when it's setting, some of these southwest roads going south into the west, like 295 north of Portland and south of Brunswick, and then also on the Turnpike, or actually just 95 from Augusta up through Waterville, you're going directly into the sun, and that glare is pretty tough this time of the year, so keep that in mind. Temps are going to be in the 50s today, 56 in Bangor, and 57 in Portland. 10 degrees warmer tomorrow, and then we'll be up around 70 for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Rain chances minimal to none. Over the weekend, this front starts to sweep in. Saturday night it passes. Sunday we get cooler. And eventually it gets energized with an area of low pressure on the trailing part of this front, and that'll lead to some rain showers late in the weekend and early next week. Temps will be cool today, but then they won't be. We'll be up around 70. Those won't be records. Records are closer to 80 degrees, but still it's going to feel balmy for the second half of the week. And then a sharp drop on Sunday, an even more impressive one for Monday, a raw day on Monday with some raindrops. Seas 2 to 3, southwest wind 10 to 20 knots. So we'll be partly sunny today, frosty right now, getting into the 50s this afternoon, 60s tomorrow. I think the sunniest of the stretch will be Thursday. We'll be around 70 degrees then. And then we have more clouds for Friday and Saturday, but still nice and mild, up around 70 degrees or so for all the Halloween parties. I'm going to one Saturday night in the Old Port, so that should be fun. Sunday afternoon, chance for a shower. Showers looking more likely on Monday. Cool, raw day, temp around 50. Yeah.
Okay, so it'll be perfect if it stays clear for the weekend.
Yes.
For all the Halloween antics for the groan-ups, and
Definitely.
then clears out for the kids on Tuesday.
Yeah, it better
Fingers
work out for
crossed.
the kids.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah,
All right.
nice of you guys to think of that. That's good. All right. Moving on.